I am Margaret, and I am from Utah, by the way of Mississippi. And this is Daisy, and this is our bus. And on Instagram, we are Me and Daisy Bus Life. And come on in, this is our bus. On the front, we did some Mexican tile on the doorway.
Go ahead.
It's 20 feet long. I had my family and my kids and grandkids do some beads for me here. This is wallpaper, pill and stick, which I covered so I could use my magnets. I took an old kitchen counter and repurposed it for my sink and counter space. And I just dropped a sink in. I have a foot pump, so we did 5 gallons of water coming in and out. I don't have any plumbing in here. Everything I try to do is off-grid. And I have a little counter space here just for all my knickknacks. Did shelving up here. I love copper. So for my shelves, we did wood and copper so I can hold everything in on both sides. Here's my couch. It serves as storage. And I have a 12-volt refrigerator from Norcold that keeps everything nice and cool. This is my bed. It's on the slat system, so it could come out to the size it is, which is usually what I use, but it does go in as a day bed, and it will come out 10 inches further. I have a little wood stove, which is made out of an ammo can. I can use in the winter, or I can use the My Buddy heater. And in the summer, I do have an air conditioner. It is on a slide system, which is 100-pound gliders for like drawer glides. So it slides out when I use it. It slides in when I'm not using it, which I think is a really cool feature. I just repurposed an old shift robe, and all my clothes fit in here, which is hard to believe because I really did downsize a lot to get fit in this bus. And this is the air conditioner that came in the bus. I just have it covered because I'm not using it right now, but it runs while the bus is running. And then on the outside, I have access to the outside. And out here is a deck. And I have a hammock chair. You can come out here and look. I have a hammock chair. And my ladder system goes up, and I have a deck up top. I have a generator out here, and it's bolted into the deck so it does not move. And I have I do have power, so I can take my power from my bus and run it back here and plug it into the generator, so I never have to move it. Right. And you want to step down. I do have an awning that I like on my bus, and I do like the paint job, and a friend of mine from Mississippi helped me build the bus, and there's my deck up top, which is nice when you go places that have a good view, beach, mountains, and I have a nice little box that we inserted on the bottom. So there is my bus.
Well, thank you.
My bus's name is CJ, and that's after my parents, Cliff and Jenny.
There you go. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed the tour of this week's rig, and join us again next Saturday for another episode.